In the realm of home entertainment, where movies, shows, and games come alive, there exists a device that transcends the ordinary: the LG CineBeam Q 4K UHD Smart Portable Laser Projector Q 710 PB. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, this projector promises an immersive cinematic experience like never before, unleashing the power of 4K UHD. 4K resolution, the pinnacle of visual clarity. In the realm of home entertainment, the LG CineBeam Q stands as a beacon of brilliance. At its core, this extraordinary projector boasts a remarkable 4K Ultra HD resolution that sets it apart from the ordinary. With 4 times the detail of full HD, the LG CineBeam Q elevates your viewing experience to unprecedented heights. Each frame is rendered with breathtaking sharpness and precision, creating an immersive visual tapestry that transports you to another world. Every scene, every character, and every detail comes to life with unparalleled clarity, inviting you to lose yourself in the magic of the silver screen. HDR10 support vibrant colors, deeper blacks. With its support for HDR10, the LG CineBeam Q opens up a world of vibrant colors and deep, inky blacks. The HDR10 technology expands the range of colors that the projector can display, resulting in more realistic and lifelike images. Shadows and highlights are rendered with exquisite detail, creating a visually stunning experience that rivals the best movie theaters. The LG CineBeam Q also features a high brightness of 2000 lumens, which ensures that the images are always clear and vibrant, even in well-lit rooms. With its combination of HDR10 support, high brightness, and excellent image quality, the LG CineBeam Q is the perfect projector for home theater enthusiasts who demand the best possible viewing experience. Portable design for limitless entertainment. Compact and lightweight cinema on the go. The LG CineBeam Q impresses with its compact and lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for those seeking portability in a projector. Weighing in at a mere 2.1 kilograms, this projector is surprisingly lightweight, allowing you to carry it effortlessly from room to room, or even take it with you on the go. Its compact form factor also ensures easy storage and minimal space requirements, making it an excellent fit for smaller living spaces or those with limited storage options. With the LG CineBeam Q, you can enjoy big screen entertainment wherever you are without the hassle of lugging around a bulky projector. Built-in battery: unplug and play. With a built-in battery, the LG CineBeam Q offers up to 2.5 hours of playback time without the need for a power outlet. Take your movies, shows, and games outdoors, to the park, or on camping trips and enjoy the ultimate cinematic experience under the stars. Smart TV platform: endless entertainment options. Webos 4.5, a world of content at your fingertips. Magic Remote Control: seamless control. The included Magic Remote Control makes navigating the Webos interface a breeze. With point-and-click control and voice recognition, finding your favorite content has never been easier. Immersive sound quality. Built-in speakers: powerful audio performance. The LG CineBeam Q packs a punch with its built-in speakers, delivering clear and powerful audio that complements the stunning visuals. Enjoy a truly immersive cinematic experience without the need for external speakers. Bluetooth audio out: connect to external speakers. For those who want to take their audio experience to the next level, the LG CineBeam Q supports Bluetooth audio output. Connect your favorite speakers or headphones wirelessly and enjoy a rich, room-filling sound. The LG CineBeam Q 4K UG Smart Portable Laser Projector Q 710 PB is a game-changer in the world of home entertainment. Its stunning 4K resolution, HDR10 support, and portable design make it the perfect choice for movie enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Immerse yourself in a cinematic experience like never before with the LG CineBeam Q.
Big D made it.